welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna just do a quick tutorial. I already did my face just to save time because your girl doesn't have time like that to edit anymore, seeing as how I'm a CEO now. Okay, so yeah. So I did just already do my do my face, so we're just gonna do a tutorial on my eyes. But first, you guys know what to do. You want to press it. You just want to press it. It's a button down here. It says subscribe. Guys, I can't. Let's get into it. Let's get into this eye. So first I'm going to go into the Magic palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take this color here, Kissy, which is just like I always call it like a bone shade. It's just kind of to even out my my eyelids here. So I did already put down concealer, and I put a little bit of the RCMA no color powder, just because my banana powder is actually in my suitcase because I was traveling. Usually I would use my banana powder because banana powder is the holy grail. But yeah, this is fine. I'll just use, so I just used, instead of my banana powder, I used my no color powder and then this kind of bone color, and it gives me kind of the same effect. So yeah. So then I'm just gonna start building up my crease here. Let me put like just a little more. I just need just a little more, just a touch more. So guys, have you gone over to my website, Glitzglambox? It's basically just, it's the site for my beauty box. So if you guys don't know, a beauty box, I'm just taking the color Nana right here. It's like a warm brown shade. And I'm just gonna, wow, look how pigmented. And I have the new Wet n Wild brush set, by the way. And it's a holiday set, and I got it last year, and it was so good. And then this year I was like, oh my god, they brought the set out again, you know. So then I was like, oh, I have to get it, and then I got it, and I'm just like, these brushes are not as heavy, like as heavy duty as the ones from last year. Definitely not. So I think they kind of skimped on the quality because they were so like popular. But I mean, that's just my opinion, and who am I? So yeah, but anyway, so yeah, so Glitzglambox, it's my beauty box. I started with my sister. We're co-CEOs, which she likes to remind me of. And yeah, so we're co-CEOs, and basically it's a beauty box. So you subscribe and you get makeup delivered to your door once a month. So it's very affordable. It's only $15, and yeah, you guys should check it out. Glitzglambox. It's glitzglambox.com. So yeah, I'm just doing the same thing on here. So I'm just gonna even these up, and then we'll come back and we'll smoke it out. And then I want to try a glitter, like a glitter line. You guys know how I am about glitter, so. Okay, so I zoomed in a little bit. If you can see, I just kind of evened it out. So I just use like a warm brown shade, basically, because when you do a smoky eye, if you just do straight like black or dark, you know, dark brown, it's gonna look so harsh. So so yeah, so I'm gonna use the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale palette, and I'm gonna go in with this color Flip Out, which is a little, it's not super dark. We're gonna build up the smoke, and I just put it on the top and then kind of wipe back and forth, which kind of gives you like a blended look. So even right there, you know, some people would stop. Of course, I'm gonna keep going. Yeah, so. So I'll just do the same thing on this side, and just make sure you kind of like tap it off, because I already did my foundation. So, but yeah, I don't have any fallout or anything. Now, it is a dangerous game to play when you do your foundation first. But, you know, I wanted to look nice and glam for you guys. So I did my foundation first. Although I am having an issue, like, around here, and then my nose is, like, so dry. So it looks crazy. And, like, this whole situation, don't worry, we'll fix that with some setting spray. I literally just go back and forth. So the trick is you just want to layer it. So you're going to layer it. So this is 3, I call it coats, but like three layers basically of that one darker color. So you see? And then just try to like make sure that they match. Trust me, I've gone out many a day with a heavy side and then like a lighter side, and then it just like look crazy. So see, it gives it like a more warm effect versus if you just had your bare skin and black eyeshadow or dark brown eyeshadow, it would have looked especial. This side blended better than this one, but that's okay. You know, life's not perfect. We do what we can. So I'm just gonna take the darkest color in here, All Nighter. Anyone who knows me knows I live for a black shadow. So this, you're just gonna, I tap right here and barely, this one I don't go all the way up, I just go like right to my crease like that. And yeah. And that I'm just gonna do, I was only gonna do 1 coat, but let's do 2. Let's do 2 just to see what happens. You know, just because it makes it nice and theatrical. So you see that blend there? You can see like all 3 colors. So that's the trick. That's what we want, is to see all 3 colors. You know, for it to be blended, like kind of like seamlessly, so you don't have that line right here. Although sometimes, like I don't mind the line, you know, if you're going for a dramatic look. But you want to be like a little bit subtle, you know. You know. You can perfect. Perfect. And so quick too. Okay, so we're just gonna put a matte color on the lid, just because usually I do a shimmer on the lid, but I'm just like, let me do a matte color, and then I'm gonna put a glitter line like right here. I think we'll see. Uh-oh, are we focused? Are we focused? Okay, so I'm going to use the Glitterholic palette. This is the palette that's going to be in our very first December Glitzglambox. So you can see it has a bunch of glitters, and it does have 3 matte shades. So I'm going to use this matte shade right here. You can see I've been using this palette because it's pretty good. So this is the shade here. So I'm just going to put it on my lid right here. And then I'm going to put a glitter on top of it. Guys, come on. Come on, what's my name? You knew I was going to use a glitter. Come on. You know I'm the glitter queen. Come on. So I swatched a couple of the glitters just to see which one will go with this look best. And there we go. So I'm going to use this iridescent color right here, and that is this one right here. So it looks white in the pan, but if you can see, it swatches very like iridescent, and I don't have any glitter glue on here. So you can use glitter glue if you want, but you really like don't have to. So so yeah, so I'm going to just put the glitter on. I'm going to use a flat angle brush to put it on. And I'm just going to do a little at a time because you kind of have to blend it out to get that iridescent look. So just show you guys. Wow, that's pretty. It's like so pretty. wonder if you can see like how pretty it is. So I just want like just a sprinkling of glitter, not like usually I put a ton of glitter on, but for this, since we smoked it out so pretty, I don't want to like cover it all up. So yeah, I just want like a little sprinkling of glitter. So just like some dust, some glitter dust on top. So you can see there's no fallout. Looks good. Looks good. So I put maybe about this much on my brush, and then we'll go. Honestly, like, you can use your fingers, but I was swatching all the different colors, so I'm like not gonna use my fingers, but you could use your fingers. I love this green. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god, this is like so cute. This is coming out so cute. Sorry, I'm hype over glitter. I'm like such a glitter fiend. If you couldn't tell. If you couldn't tell. Okay, cool. So let's just even this out here. Looks like it's like green. Oh my god, and I love green. This is so cool. And it looks white in the pan, but then when you spread it and blend it out, it's kind of green. Awesome. This is so cute. Sorry, I'm very hyped. This is like total mermaid vibes. Totally. Okay. So I'm just gonna use the same color I used just to smoke it out and just like blend it a little more, because it did kind of get a little bit of the matte shade on top. So I'll do that and do the bottom lash line, and then I'll come back and I'll put lashes on also and liner, and then we'll do the finishing touches. Okay, I'm just gonna film me doing my liner because everyone always asks me how to do wing liner. So and that's it. That's wing liner. So I'll do the other one off camera just so people can see, because everyone's like, how do you do your wing liner? That's it. And I don't go all the way in because my eyes water, so I never go all the way in. I go like maybe like right here. And yeah, that's it. Guys, welcome back. I'm gonna actually just put some blush on and then some mascara. Into the Butter palette with this super blinding glow, because I mean, why not? Because we have this eyeshadow color, so yeah. Oh, and shout out to all the new people who subscribed. I was like, looked at my subscribers. I was like, oh snap. We got more people in the GLITZGLAM fam. This is my Cover FX setting spray. So, Cover FX. It's supposedly is illuminating, but I honestly don't feel like it's illuminating at all. But still, I'll douse myself in it. Okay. Oh, I forgot to do my lips again. As usual. As usual, I forgot to do my lips. What should we do for lips? I have this Kat Von D I haven't used yet, so we'll just put this on, see how it looks. See how it looks. We'll see. I think this needed a lip liner. What do we think? I don't know. right, I guess that's a wrap. I guess that's a wrap. Actually, let's do a little more mascara since I don't have lashes on, which honestly I feel nude without them, but whatever. We'll keep the momentum going. We'll keep the momentum. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all the new subscribers. Welcome to the Glitz Glam fam. Make sure you follow on Instagram. Make sure you check out the Glitzglambox. I'm going to link it down below so you can still order for December. So if you sign up now, you will get the December box. The December box includes this Glitterholic palette here, which is full size. It's 15 shades, and the box alone is only $15. So right there, since you're getting a palette, it's already worth it. But you also are going to get lashes, a full-size liquid lipstick, and one other surprise item which we did not release yet. But yeah, if you follow the Instagram at Glitzglambox, you'll get all the latest spoilers. You can also sign up for the mailing list on glitzglambox.com. And if you don't want the box, or if you're looking for last minute gifts, you can give the box as a gift. So we say give the gift of glitter. So yeah, you want to do that, and you just press gift, and then you can definitely get guaranteed delivery by Christmas. Now, this is being filmed on November, what is today? Today's November 9th, okay? I mean, yeah, November 9th. Okay, so don't come back to me if you're watching this in December like, you said guaranteed delivery by Christmas. If you order in November, early December, we can guarantee delivery by Christmas. If you're ordering like the middle or the end of December, we'll see what we can do. Okay, we'll see what we can do. So this is the final look. Yeah. So if you guys want to see more, make sure you subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.